placate their concern and see what this thing does. Whoa! This side looks like it's still attached. Dang, okay. Always check your mounting points. This could be bad. I already have a new air filter, so I'm just gonna change that right now. Uh-oh. There's evidence of little quadruped critters. Oh man, there's a... yeah, they're living in here. Almost. Yeah, right about... there it is. Well, that's not supposed to be there. What?
Go ahead. Perfect. Yeah. Lean into it when it comes tight. Yeah.
So you broke it more.
I did.
You broke it the mostest.
The most.
You guys believe that?
Yeah.
Look what this thing did. It came out but broke it in half. No way. I'm glad I got you boys out of there before we did that, because that was a redneck moment. Oh no, the mold has begun. Why? Oh, look at that. Okay. It appears we have some petroleum product that is uncontained. Oh, there's some more. Yeah, it's everywhere. It's probably none in the engine. This is not good. Oh, it's still stinky in here. All right, here we go. Time to go test drive this thing. Not before I make myself safe.